Hi, I'm Don Cottam with CloudRoom AV, or as we like to call it, CRAV. We are starting to build our new network of partners for our audio-visual systems that are built on Windows computers, and we're going to change the industry forever. So what we're doing is basically taking the essential kind of beginnings of Zoom in 2012, which we were one of the first two resellers that set up with Zoom. And when I saw those Windows machines running that program, I knew that was the end of the rack full of equipment. That the next generations of audiovisual systems will be built on computers, and we spend most of our money on the displays and a lot of those things that the actual user engages in the room versus all the equipment in the rack. And so we save customers 30 to 40% on the total cost, not to mention all of the advantages, being able to be operational with every software you can think of. We can customize the workflows of how those softwares work on the systems. And beyond that, if we bring AI into play here, which we are, we have an AI agent that sits on the machines that is like a technician in the room. And the future of OneTouch will be an assistant or a concierge in the room you can talk to, and it will run the room with you. So the next generations of these rooms, which we're working on right now, are going to be something next to amazing or magic. And that's what we do here at CRAV. If you want to become one of those new partners, please send us an email or a message at our website at cloudroomav.com. And we look forward to taking over the future in the audiovisual space with CloudRoom AV and OneTouch. Come join us for that journey. Thanks.